Hello and welcome to Exam Study. Today in this video we will be discussing about the size and location of India. India is a country that occupies its place in the Asian continent of the world. Asia is the biggest continent as well as in terms of area as well as the population. It also occupies the first spot. Before that we should know which are the 7 different countries, or rather we will be discussing about the 10 different countries, bigger countries in terms of area. Those are R for Russia, C for Canada, C for China, United States of America, Brazil, Australia, and seventh spot India is there at the seventh spot. Remember, these are the countries in the order of in the area they occupy on the world map. India is at the seventh spot in terms of area, and population wise it is at the second spot. China hold the first spot in terms of population. Brazil is the only country that occupies the same spot in terms of population as well as area. So Brazil occupies the fifth spot in terms of population and area. Other countries are which are smaller than India are Argentina in the continent of South America, Kazakhstan, and Algeria. Algeria is in Africa. So these are the top 10 countries according to their sizes in the world map. Now we will be discussing about India specifically. So what is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent? I hope you know what are latitudes and what are longitudes. Latitudes are the horizontal lines on the globe or world map, whereas longitudes are the vertical lines. So this is the way to memorize. Vertical lines long होती हैं, इसलिए उन्हें longitudes कहा जाता है on the globe. So India extends between 8°4 north and longitudes are 68° east and 97° east. Indian Standard Time passes through Mirzapur, (82°). These are the longitudes. 30 minutes east. These are the longitudes. Mirzapur is near Allahabad. These are the facts that you should note down. India occupies 2.4% of the geographical area. Tropic of Cancer It passes through 23 degree 30 minute north, divides the country two equal parts, almost two equal parts. So Tropic of Cancer passes through Mira JCP at a silent GMT. This is Mizoram, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Tripura. Now, India and its what are the neighboring countries of India? We will look at the map. This is the map of India, and you will find Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. These are the neighboring countries that share land boundaries with India. But apart from these two island nations are also there, which we consider as the neighbor of India, although they do not share the land boundary with India. That's Sri Lanka, and Maldives in the Arabian Sea. These two countries do not share land boundaries with India. Now we will be discussing about the states that share land boundaries with the other countries, neighboring countries. So for Pakistan, it's Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. These are the four states that share land boundary with Pakistan. With China, we have Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. These share land boundaries with China. We do not share the longest boundary either with China nor with Pakistan. We share the longest boundary with Bangladesh. The states that share its boundaries with Bangladesh are: number 1 is West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. These are the states that share its boundary with Bangladesh. Now we will be discussing about the states that share its boundary with Myanmar. So Myanmar is Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh. I repeat, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and in the south it's Mizoram. So these are the four states that share its land boundary with Myanmar. Bhutan shares its boundary with Sikkim, West Bengal, and Assam, some part with Arunachal Pradesh. These are the four states that share its boundary with Bhutan. As I said, Sri Lanka and Lakshadweep are not. Sri Lanka and Maldives do not share land boundary with India. It's Maldives. Lakshadweep is a part of India. It's the island of India. So the capital is Kavaratti, and Andaman and Nicobar, the capital is Port Blair. So you should remember these 2 points. Sri Lanka, India is separated by Sri Lanka with the Adams Bridge, Park Strait. If we remember some states that share land boundaries with other countries, with Arunachal, for Myanmar, the trick is Mami. It's Arunachal, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. So these are the 4 states that share its land boundary with Arunachal Pradesh. Myanmar. States that share its boundary with Nepal. It's Subbu. Sikkim, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Uttarakhand. And with Bangladesh, the states are Ab, Mizoram, Se, Maitri. It's Mizoram is silent, so you can. Ab is for Assam, Ba for West Bengal. It's Meghalaya and Tripura. These are the states that share land boundary with Bangladesh. Apart from these, Pakistan is, you don't need any trick to remember the states that share land boundary with Pakistan. Easily memorize हो जाएंगी. पाकिस्तान के साथ में है जम्मू कश्मीर, पंजाब, राजस्थान एंड गुजरात. तो ये हैं 4 स्टेट्स जो कि पाकिस्तान से लैंड बाउंड्री शेयर करती हैं. अभी हम लोग इसके बारे में कुछ क्वेश्चंस लिखेंगे जो आप, जिनके आंसर मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में प्रोवाइड करेंगे. नंबर 1 इज Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. Number 1 Rajasthan, 2 is Odisha, C is Chhattisgarh, and D is Tripura. So you will answer me in the comment section, and the GCP at GMT. Answer me in the comment section. Second question is Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bengal, Sikkim, Bihar, common boundary with which neighbor? China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar. So these are the 2 questions. Please provide me the answer in the comment section. And that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.